So you have a wound. So for example, this is a Band-Aid on top of a thumb. After using it all day, water, washing, cleaning, everything, maceration occurs. And the same thing with wounds. You have wounds that get soiled, sweat, wet, and just stays there for a long time. You don't change the dressing for a couple hours, couple days. And this was what can occur, and the skin breakdown can occur. If you're not changing things daily, then you're going to start having issues like this. And this is just on a healthy, normal individual, but people with poor circulation, poor skin turgor, everything can cause a lot of maceration, a lot of skin breakdown. So using this all day with the Band-Aid, cleaning, wiping, and just water getting in there all day and cleaning, this is what occurs. So make sure to change your dressings. Make sure to keep it clean, dry, intact. And if this happens, let it air dry for a couple hours or lightly dress it if you need to. And it should go back to normal. And from there, it should go back to how the left thumb is. But overall, this is all a quick tip for you guys. Peace.